In this video, I'll show you how to earn on Kraken. To do this, what you can use is the Earn tab. So just go to Earn on Kraken and there's several different things you can do. So you have Bonded Earn and Auto Earn. Now Auto Earn is the easiest, so you can just turn this on and basically you then have your Auto Earn balance, which in my case right here is my Bitcoin, and you have your lifetime rewards, which in this case only 11 cents, and you have your 30-day rewards and your next payout. So basically here this just happens automatically, so when you turn this on you will just automatically earn from this. But what you can also use is Bonded Earn, in which case you are probably going to use staking, for example, just like with the Ethereum right here. Now here you have your earn opportunities, which is the most important thing. So go to Bonded Earn and then earn opportunities, and then here I can allocate Bitcoin or stake Solana. Then you can see your APR, which is how much you will earn per year. So in this case the APR is 5 to 9% for Solana, which is pretty good. For Bitcoin it's only 0.15%, which is quite low. But for example, I can click allocate right here, then choose how much I want to use. This one has instant bonding, but unbonding in 30 days. So you can click review. Now here you can also see what that means. So if you deallocate, your Bitcoin will be locked for an unbonding period, in this case of 30 days. Now with Solana, for example, if you click stake, there's only an unbonding period of 3 days. So you can just choose how much you want to do, click review and then confirm it. And then from there I have too little Solana in my account to use this, but once you then bond it, you will then be earning that APR. So that's how you can earn on Kraken. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.